Let me show you what to look for in your new best friend. Are you trying to decide on a perfect kitty? Picking a perfect cat can be harder than math. I like Ginger because she's sweet. She likes her head scratched. This is Simon. He is a male. He has pretty blue eyes. It's very soft. Weird. This cat's name is Bumper, and she's a very small cat. I see she likes to play with her toy monkey, and she's still cute, and I love her stripes and her black fur. I think he likes me. And he's a very, very, very light cat and very black. So she likes to be pet on the head, and she's a really good cat. Her name is Tara, and she has a really beautiful color. She's a female, and she likes her head petted. She's very hairy. I know which one will be best for you. All of them.